2, 3, go.
See how hard it is?
That was very hard. I just made this game hard just now. Okay, ready? Go.
She just made it. I don't get it. Wait, what are you supposed to do? Wait, it's supposed to be
We
what?
can't be on the same side.
That's
And
it.
he's trying to get us a special children's game. Special children's game.
Okay,
Face off, it's better.
okay. 1,
It's more psychological.
2, 3,
You take a face
go.
out.
Oh, no, you're getting me. You're getting me. Go.
It doesn't matter. Like you can be on the offensive and then
She's like losing her balance.
I think I won.
You're not even sure.
are harder to play with.
You're not even sure if you won.
Dorothy wants to play.
Oh, there. Oh gosh, Dorothy, that's very
Okay,
ladylike.
Dorothy's gonna win. Okay, the end. We're just gonna play for fun now.
Let's go.
Ready?
We're gonna
Okay.
face each other. Wait, who's getting who?
Wait.
You can get me.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
I'll start
I can't
this
see.
side.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
You can't touch the car! Oh yeah, and if you
Oh, new rule, new rule.
you can't step on the yellow line.
I like one roll. That's
So you can bounce off the wall.
Yeah, let's do that. Only one rule. You can't step on the yellow line.
1, 2,
Ready?
3.
Go. Wow! That's what we do in Wawa. For AAA.
This is what you do in Wawa.
been the theme.
Okay.